India will clash with Sri Lanka in the second T20I of the three-match series in Palakelli in Kandy on Sunday. India will be led by Surya Kumar Yadav while Sri Lanka is being captained by Charit Asalanka. भारत T20 वर्ल्ड कप चैंपियन है और ICC T20 आई रैंकिंग्स में नंबर 1 टीम भी। The Palakelli International Cricket Stadium in Kandy has hosted 7 T20Is since 2016, with the team batting first winning 3 of these encounters. The team chasing has won 4 matches. The captain who has won the toss has elected to bat first on 5 occasions and chase on 2 instances. The team which has won the toss has won 3 matches for a win probability of 42.86%. Palakelli में average score batting first since 2016 is 179, suggesting that it is a high-scoring venue. The average score chasing in the 7 matches in this time frame is 159. The wicket will be good for batters, but will also assist both pace and spin. The fast bowlers have a better strike rate in Palakelli, but the spinners have been more economical. India are likely to go in with 2 pacers in Arshdeep and Siraj and 3 spinners. Gill और जायसवाल openers होंगे और रिंकू finisher. पंत may get the nod over Samson. श्रीलंका की बैटिंग लाइनअप भी काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, जिसमें कुशल मेंडिस, अविष्का फर्नांडो, दिनेश चांदिमल और निशंका जैसे बल्लेबाज हैं। बॉलिंग में थ्रेट होंगे हसरंगा और तिखाशना। India has dominated Sri Lanka in T20Is and won 19 of the 29 matches between the two countries. Rinku Singh has had a great start to his T20I career and blasted 416 runs in 15 innings at a strike rate of 176.3. उनके पास एक खास ability है to clear the ropes at will. Skipper Surya Kumar Yadav is one of the greatest batters in T20I cricket history with an aggregate of 2,340 runs in 65 innings at an average of 43.3 and strike rate of 167.7. Unki unorthodox batting and 360 degrees stroke play make him a genius in this format. Kusal Mendes was in fine form in the recently concluded Lanka Premier League and has an aggregate of 1,629 runs in 67 innings at a strike rate of 134.4. वो पावर प्ले में एक्सप्लोसिव हो सकते हैं। महेश तिखाशना can still bamboozle the best in the world with his mystery spin. He will be crucial for Sri Lanka in the power play. तिखाशना का इकोनॉमी रेट T20Is में 6.7 का है। Yashasvi Jaiswal is a great player of spin bowling and his battle against Tikhasana in the power play could define the course for the rest of the match. Pant versus Hasaranga will be a key battle in the middle overs. It will be interesting to see Pant's approach against the willy leg spinner. Pant शायद sweep का इस्तेमाल करेंगे Hasaranga के खिलाफ। Kushal Mendes took the attack to Arshdeep Singh in their 2 meetings and their battle in the power play will have a big impact on the match. Yashasvi Jaiswal is the hot pick for India. Jaiswal has had a phenomenal start to his T20I career and will be destructive against the new ball in the power play. उनका record batting second गजब का है। मोहम्मद सिराज is the avoid pick for India. सिराज ने केवल 13 मैचेस खेले हैं भारत के लिए in the T20I format, जिसमें उन्होंने 13 ही विकेट लिए हैं। Wanindu Hasaranga is the hot pick for Sri Lanka. He is a brilliant wicket taker in the T20I cricket with a total of 110 wickets in just 66 innings. Avishka Fernando is the avoid pick for Sri Lanka. He was in fine form in the LPL but has a very poor record in T20I cricket. India start heavy favourites. They are the world champions and have a very talented and powerful batting unit. Spin bowling में भी काफ़ी वैरायटी है. श्रीलंका की बैटिंग भी काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, but if they want to challenge India, then Hasaranga and Tikasana will have to deliver with the ball. Based on form and the relative strength of both teams, India have a 68% chance of winning the encounter. Wanindu Hasaranga will be a good choice for captain, while Suryakumar Yadav will be a good option for vice captain. And finally, ये है हमारी Fantasy 11. We have 6 players from India and 5 from Sri Lanka. हमारे बैटर्स हैं जायसवाल, निशंका और सूर्यकुमार यादव. Whereas our all-rounders are Hardik Pandya, Akshar Patel and Hasaranga. The bowlers will include Pathirana, Tikasana and Arshdeep Singh. We have 2 designated wicket-keeper batters in Pant and Kusal Mendes. Our backup players include Rinku Singh as batter, Ravi Bishnoi as bowler and Washington Sundar as all-rounder.